Ooh. Make quick fried apples at the crib. Put the water in. Add some lemon juice, some cinnamon, brown sugar, a couple more flavors, nutmeg. Add some love and a couple more flavors. A little lemon juice. As you can see, it's starting to oxidize. That's why it's a little brown. But yeah, the water is to help it cook and stew. I'm gonna put the top on. Add some butter. A couple more flavors. But, oh, most important thing, don't forget the love. Yeah, you see that butter and the cinnamon, the aha. I already put the nutmeg and the sugar and all that, and a couple more ingredients. And make sure you keep it with liquid in it so it won't evaporate, stick. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you can smell it. Smell it through the phone. It smells real good.